Yo guys, what's up? It's Peter here with the Madden pack opening. I'm going to do the Elite Player Collection where you turn in 10 Elite trophies to get one Elite player. I've only done this one time, and I actually did get a 96 overall kick returner, Percy Harvin. He only goes for like 60k though, so I didn't really make my money back. These essentially cost 120k, or I could have 120k instead of doing this, because I could just sell all these, because I just get them from packs. But yeah, anyways, let's go. Come on. Whew, this is 120k. And it's another freaking special teams. Wow. Nah, it's retarded. That just really pisses me off. Whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.